Welcome to War India News Hour. Understanding cybersecurity risk is the need of the hour. Financial services institutions are hit by cyber attacks 300 times more than companies in other industries. The reason is very simple. Since the return on investment for attackers is simple to attractive. By understanding the economics of today's most prevalent cyber threats, you can wage a more effective defense, better protect valuable data and your firm's reputation, reduce the cost of cyber attacks, and limit attacks returns on investment to demotivate them. If it were measured as a country, then cybercrime, which is predicted to inflict damages totaling $7 trillion USD globally in 2021. Would it be world's third largest economy after the US and China? The interesting part is website owners have no idea that their website got hacked, redirected to malicious sites, or is spreading malware. In most cases, those websites are owned by people who have no knowledge about cybersecurity. Cybercrime costs include damage and destruction of data, stolen money, lost productivity, theft of intellectual property, theft of personal and financial data, embezzlement, fraud, post-attack disruption to the normal course of business, forensic investigation, restoration and deletion of hacked data and systems, and reputational harm. Cybersecurity threats for small to medium-sized business SMBs are real. SMBs are just as likely as larger business to be attacked. Yet, many are much less prepared to detect and endure an attack. There is a path forward to significantly improve the risk posture of an organization with good cyber hygiene, a strategic roadmap, and a cybersecurity insurance policy. The challenge for CISOs is selecting the best tools from a sea of offerings and then working with the board and senior executives to deploy them within the organization. Let's look into today's headline in War India. 4.5 million Air India travelers data breached, including credit cards. 10 years of Air India customer data, including credit card, passport, and phone numbers, have been leaked in a massive cyber attack on its data processor in February, as per the airline. The incident has affected around 45 lakh customers registered between 26 August 2011 and 3 February 2021, as per Air India, disclosing the scale of the breach nearly 3 months after it was first informed of it. 18 crore data of Domino's India order available in the dark web. The leaked data of 18 crore Domino's India order are now available on search engines created by hackers. The hackers created a search engine on the dark web. If you have ever ordered online, your data might be leaked. Data include name, email, mobile, GPS location, etc. The worst part of this alleged breach is that people are using this data to spy on people. Anybody can easily search any mobile number and can check a person's past locations with date and time. This seems like a real threat to our privacy. Hence, personal data protection law is the need of the hour. Government has to come out with the law without unnecessary delay. As per the report, access in the Onion link where the data is public now. Snapchat acquires WebOptics for over $500 million. In a bid to enhance tech for spectacles, Snapchat has acquired UK-based AR startup WebOptics for worth more than $500 million. Snap will pay half the $500 million for WebOptics in stock at closing, and the other half will be paid in either case or stock in 2 years. Earlier, Snap unveiled its first AR spectacles glasses, which use lenses developed by WebOptics. US defended Amazon after article published on bypassing Indian law. US officials defended Amazon's business practices in India after a Reuters report alleged that Amazon favored some sellers and bypassed Indian law. The officials prepared a note for US envoy John Kerry before his call with Union Minister Piyush Goyal that said India's antitrust watchdog has reviewed many such allegations against US e-commerce companies and found nothing wrong. Wagerex crossed 4 million users, aims at 10 million users in next 3 months. Wagerex is a cryptocurrency exchange to easily and securely buy, sell and trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, etc. The platform Wagerex revealed that it crossed 4 million users in May, just 15 days after reaching 3 million users, and is aiming to cross 10 million users in the next 3 months. The company added that their volume in April was $5.4 billion and their combined trading volume for January 21 to May 2021 was $15.5 billion. That is it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.